This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Toyota RAV4. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the value package, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, 3-point seat belts for all seating positions, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Toyota's certification includes a 160-point inspection and an extensive reconditioning process, plus a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.